Have you ever wondered why Turkish has two words for why? Neden, niye? They both mean the same thing, or do they? One sounds formal, the other casual. But if you use the wrong one in the wrong place, it might sound a little off. In this video, I'll explain the difference in simple terms, with real-life examples you'll never forget. Let's clear up the confusion. Neden mi, niye olmasın? Neden ve niye? Introduction. In Turkish, both neden and niye mean why, but they differ in tone, emotional intensity, and usage. Let's explore when and how to use each. Meaning and grammar category. Neden means why is derived from nedenin, which means its reason, noun-based niye means why, niye means to what, question-based, more verb-focused. Both are adverbs used to ask for reasons. Basic example sentences. Neden? Neden gelmedin? Neden gelmedin? Why didn't you come? It's a neutral formal way. Niye? Niye gelmedin? Niye gelmedin? Why didn't you come? It's an emotional, informal way. Both are correct. The difference lies in nuance and tone. Nuance and tone. Neden. Tone, neutral, formal. Typical use, written, academic, polite. Niye. Casual, emotional. Typical use, spoken, informal, surprised. Examples. Neden bu kadar geç kaldın? Neden bu kadar geç kaldın? Why are you this late? Niye bu kadar geç kaldın? Niye bu kadar geç kaldın? Why are you this late? Emotional impact. Neden. Calm. Neden ağlıyorsun? Neden ağlıyorsun? Why are you crying? Niye. Emotional, frustrated. Niye ağlıyorsun? Niye ağlıyorsun? Why are you crying? With emotion, what's wrong? Register and formality. In news, reports, and academic texts, use neden. In casual conversations, niye is more natural. Examples. Neden bu karar alındı? Neden bu karar alındı? In a formal context use, why was this decision made? Niye böyle yaptın ya? Niye böyle yaptın ya? Why did you do this? Common phrases. Neden olmasın? Neden olmasın? Why not? Bunun nedeni ne? Bunun nedeni ne? What is the reason for this? Niye ki? Niye ki? But why? Niye böyle söylüyorsun? Niye böyle söylüyorsun? Why are you saying it like that? With den dolayı, because of. Neden is often used when giving reasons. Bu hava koşullarından dolayı oldu. Bu hava koşullarından dolayı oldu. This happened because of weather conditions. Note, niye is not used in such explanatory expressions. Practice questions. Geldin erken. Why did you come early? Answer is, niye geldin erken? Bu karar alındı. Why was this decision made? Answer is, bu karar neden alındı? Bu karar neden alındı? Ağlıyorsun? Seni kim üzdü? Why are you crying? Who upset you? Answer is Niye ağlıyorsun, seni kim üzdü? Niye ağlıyorsun, seni kim üzdü? Tip for learners. When unsure, use neden. It's universally acceptable. Use ne when you want to sound more expressive, informal, or emotional.
I hope you liked today's video. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.